Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Well, hey friends, welcome back to Full Circle Ozarks and to the Sawmill shed build. As you can see now, we've got all the purlins on the top. It's ready for sheet metal. I've got the sheet metal in the trailer, you can see that. But before we put the sheet metal up, I thought I would go ahead and mill some trim boards to go across the front and the back. I think it'd just be a little bit easier to put them on now. So I think that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to fire the mill up, and I got a big log we're going to put on there and see if I can get enough of those milled up. You know, this sawmill shed has been a fun build. It's one of the things I've wanted to do for a while, and it's all coming together. I've just had to do a little bit at a time as my schedule would allow. You would think someone that's been retired now for a couple of years, I'd have all kinds of time, but I'm busier now than I ever was before. I don't know what's up with that. Does that happen to any of y'all folks out there that's retired? I do enjoy staying active though, so we're always doing something for the chickens, for some of the other animals out here. Doing things with our grandkids, with our kids. We're just enjoying life is what we're doing. That's what it's all about, isn't it? But anyway, enough of that. As you can see, like I said, we're ready. We've got the purlins up. I need to get some trim boards up there. I think it'll just make it easier. Then we're going to put the sheet metal on, and after we get the sheet metal on, the mill's going to be substantially done, enough that I plan on moving the mill in once I get the sheet metal on. And then I've got some more landscaping to do right here in front of the mill to adjust the grade a little bit. So you're going to have to stay tuned and see how all this turns out. And then also, as I'd mentioned before, there will be a wall go up here, there, and potentially over here on this end. So anyway, quite a bit to do yet, but in order to make this usable, I just need to get the sheet metal on the top. I'll move the sawmill in, then we'll start milling from this location right here. So let's go get that log on the mill and see what we can make today. That turned out really nice there. Now the fun job, let me see if I can get this log to rotate pretty easily. We'll see how that goes. I'll try it with the cant hook first, see if I can get it to rotate. If not, I'll have to get my winch out. We'll get the sawmill head back down here out of the way. I made these wedges the other day when I was working on the sawmill shed, and I was putting those braces up. I think I need to put me something on the side here so they'll fit a little bit tighter. But I think these are going to help as just to wedge the log up while I'm working with it. We'll see. Well, now that wasn't too bad. This, my friend, is making some pretty lumber here. Look at that. That is some really nice trim boards to go. That's some really nice trim boards to go up there at the top of the sawmill. Look forward to getting these up. Nice and straight. We'll get these put up pretty quick. This log's been on the ground probably about 2.5 years. But it still made some beautiful lumber, didn't it? I think I'm gonna change blades. They're at the end of this right here. I could feel that I was having to push just a little bit harder. So it's time to change the blade. So I'm gonna go grab another blade. I think I'm gonna take a lunch break. Then I'll come back, finish milling this right here up. I should get, if I'm lucky, about 4 or maybe 5 pieces of lumber like this out of this one log. That's going to be great if I can. Actually, I need 6, so I'm going to have to put one more log on here and mill it. But anyway, I just wanted to take a moment to show you this. I really like that. Well, I got the blade changed, had me a snack. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this milled. Well, folks, the HM 126 came through again. This right here is a 1/2 inch piece. It ain't hardly thick enough, but I was needing 6 pieces to finish the trim up before I put the sheet metal on the roof. Let's go look and see what we got. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a better yield than I thought I was going to get. That's a blessing too. So now I have 1 extra board, but this is going to be for the trim overhead. Folks, I also think that this is a good time to end this video. I need to go clean up for a soccer game that I promised a young kid that I would be there today. So I want to go do that. So we'll cut this video off, and the next time we're out here, we'll be putting this trim up. Following that, we'll get the sheet metal on this, and then we'll be able to start moving stuff in the sawmill shed. Again, thanks for watching. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you again on the next Full Circle Ozarks.